feel cozy, yeah. Can you hold up? Don't need no coffee yet. Got no makeup. How do you look so fine? Bust up, bust up. How did I make you mine? Stay a minute.
Hey, what's up, guys? This is week 3 that I've been fasting and I've been doing keto. So um, when I started, I made a couple videos of my weight and the progress I was making. Um, so I've been working out. Um, and doing the keto every day and pretty much fasting every day. Um, you don't have to fast every day if you don't want to. You don't have to. As long as you're eating right and following your plan, your meal plans, then you should see results. So I have never tried the keto, and I've I've never done fasting how you should. So for me, it was a new experience, and it was something that I was kind of, I don't know how to say it. I was kind of like not too sure about it. I didn't know it was gonna work. Um, but after doing it, following the plans, eating right, eating the stuff that I'm supposed to, and following my meal schedules and all that, it's worked out pretty good. Um, I'm gonna put a couple pictures here of how I look now. This is just a brief update. Um, if you've never tried it before, I do recommend it. Coming from how I started and the difference now. I started I was 156.5, I believe. And this morning I was 151.4. Yesterday I was also 151.4. So I'm gonna post after the video. I'm gonna post the measurements of the scale. Every time I get on the scale, it saves to my phone. So the records are gonna be there. That way you can see from where I started. And day 1 is at the bottom, so it's gonna go up, 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 and you can see the weight differentials, and also in muscle and all that. A really good thing to do while doing the diet, the keto, and the fasting. The key in this is to do weight training. If you do weight training, then you're going to kill it. You don't really have to focus on running or doing cardio like that. Weight training, and then I do on the days that I don't have to work out, or I don't do the weight training. I do some what do you call it? High intensity. I don't do a lot. Um, you don't really have to do that for the keto and the fasting. I just do it because I like it, and I don't do a lot. I do uh, probably 8 minutes to 12. It depends. And on the days that I'm not supposed to do nothing or I'm not doing anything, I just do walks here and there. But I'm gonna put the results. This is week 3. We're gonna keep on doing it. Week 4 or week 5, I'll do another update, and we'll see where I'm at. The first day, it's 157.4, and And as time goes by, you can see the dates on the left, and they go up all the way down till today, March the 16th.
When I wake up, I feel cozy, yeah. Can you hold up? Don't need no coffee yet. Got no makeup. How do you look so fine? Bust up, bust up. How did I make you mine? Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, a lover's moment.